these songs, usually we play two and we go home. The original in the Honolulu. Good night. We want to say mahalo to the Outrigger organization for inviting us here this afternoon. A lot of talented men and women. And I want to say mahalo to my guitar pick sponsor, Foodland. I use my Foodland card as my pick. It's perfect, I'm telling you, it's just long enough for my finger and a bugger, you know, no break. And if it breaks, I go back, customer rep, give me another one. It's free, huh? A lot of Foodland employees in the front, yeah! It was a joke, really it was a joke. Either I'm using this or my Long's Drug Pharmacy one, or my Costco one. And I'm Costco. So my third and final song this afternoon reminds me of my district where I grew up as a teenager, Waima, Nalo. A lot of talented men and women grew up in Waima, Nalo. And I'm sure you guys know several of them. And the title of the song is called In Waima, Nalo. Windward side of the island, there's a place that I knew. The shores of the bay, the mountains gray will hypnotize you through and through. Marked by the state as a wine land homestead to me and you. A place where we used to laugh and sing her song, Waima Nalo Blues. And Waima Nalo, oh yeah. Waima Nalo, I need some clap, I need some backbeat, there you go. Here we go, put your hands together. Woo! Waima Nalo, and Waima Nalo, yeah. Down in the forest, flying angels rest and play. We call it Sherwood Forest, Uncle Sam calls it Bellows Bay. We'll lay down next to the sun, way down, watch the moon, stars above, as we listen to the legends of the king and queen we love. And Waima Nalo, oh yeah, getting kind of soft over here. Waima Nalo, oh yeah. Here we go. Hear the music, feel it in the air. Echoes of the past, voices everywhere. Down in the forest, flying angels rest and play. We call it Sherwood Forest, Uncle Sam calls it Bellows Day. We'll lay down next to the sun, way down, watch the moon, stars above, as we listen to the legends of the king and queen we love. Waima Nalo, oh yeah. Waima Nalo, Waima Nalo, yeah. Waima Nalo, yeah. Waima Nalo, mahalo. Thank you very much, family. One thing I want to make mention. To me, this is not a competition. This is a celebration of music. We're all winners. And good night, folks.
One more time, a big round of applause for Moon Kahele. Mahalo, my brother. We're gonna start it off. One more time, please, a big round of applause for Moon Kahele.